Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose anyway is proving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. Days after peace deal clashes in Manipur kill one. Curves under section 163 of BNSS imposed in Churchandrapur as Hamar and Jumi community renew hostility. Kukiju MLA's call for peace. The unrest which arose from the assault on Richard Hammer of the indigenous tribals leader forum was expected to have resolved them. The Hammer Inpu and Jumi council signed pact on Monday. Fresh clashes, tension in Churchandrapur of Manipur Tuesday night. The Hindu Viro Guwahati. Fresh clashes broke out between the Hamar and Jumi community in the restive Chandrapur district of Manipur on Wednesday hours after a peace settlement between their apex body. A 53-year-old person was killed in the violence. Officials said the Hamras oppose a Jumi group hosting of their community flag on Tuesday evening. The clash that ensued killed Lal Ropi Pakhmet on the outskirts of Chandpur town. The district authority imposed restriction under section 163 of the Bharatiya Nagari Suraksha Sanhita after the incidents. On Monday, the Hammer in Pui and the Jumi Council agreed to work together for peace after the assault on a Hamal leader triggered clashes between the two communities. 6 Kukuju MLA issued an appeal for calm, peace and harmony. We urge our community leader and civil society organization to continue to work hard to maintain peace and tranquility. We urge the state government, particularly the district administration, to take up all requests measures for restoration and maintenance of the law and order and peace and harmony, the MLA said in a joint statement. The district deputy commissioner Dharun Kumar has issued the second appeal for peace in 3 days. Organizations such as the Kuki Inpu Hamar Women Association and the Jumi Mothers Association condemn all form of violence, including the hate speech and destruction of the property, while pledging to work toward non-violence. The Jumi Student Federation declared an infinity emergency shutdown in Churachandrapur on Wednesday. Churachandpur town is dominated by the Jumias, while Hammers primarily live on the outskirts. The tensions made authority shift. Some Kukiju people displayed during the ethnic violence with Methi in 2023 from the New Bazaar relief camp in Churchandrapur town to another relief camp at Tui Boing in district Tui. Gloni Thanglu, medical superintendent of the district hospital in Churachandrapur, said a mom barged into the hospital around 9 p.m. on Tuesday and intimidated the staff. This unhealthy atmosphere of mistrust has prevented many of them from carrying out their normal duty from today Wednesday. As a consequence, all operations were cancelled today due to the lack of OT operation theatre staff and technicians. The hospital ward and OPD suffered the same, the medical superintendent said in a statement. Customary law security forces conduct flag march in around Churachandrapur, asking people to remain indoor. The help restore peace and normalcy. The unrest arising out of the assault on Richard Hammer, a member of the indigenous tribal leader forum on Sunday, was expected to have been nipped in the bud when the Hamar Inpu and the Jumi Council signed the agreement on Tuesday Tuesday to end hostilities. The two organizations also resolved to settle the assault issue through tribals customary law. According the Lag family agreed to pay 50,000 rupees to the kin of Richard Hammer to organize a traditional and customary peace feast. The two sides also agreed that the attackers family would pay 2 lakh rupee for the Hamar leader treatment for and provide more money if needed. More than 250 to 50 people have been killed and 60,000 rendered homeless in Manipur since ethnic conflict between the non-tribal Meitei and Kuki-Ju broke out in May 2023. Hamar and Jumi are considered constituent of the Kuki-Ju tribal group. President's rule was imposed in Manipur. The 60-member state assembly was put in suspended animation after knowing Thoman Biren Singh resigned as the chief minister on February 13. Cattle in colors. This is picture from Maharashtra. Devotee with bull locks covered in color arrived to participate in the Bhagad Rath Yatra festival at Bhavdhan in Satara, Maharashtra on Wednesday. The sacred Bhagad or chariot is pulled by 8 bullocks out of the hundreds brought for the festival. Incident scheme approved on low value UPI transaction. 50 in crore rupees. The Union Cabinet approved an incentive scheme to promote UPI transaction below 2000 rupees for 2024-25. The government will bear the merchant discount rate expense for payment of less than 2000 rupee made to a merchant. People arrested in connection with the violence in Nagpur. 52. The Minister of the State for the Home told reporters that the strict, strictest action would be taken against the preparators and the fear of the law will be instilled. The 3 police personnel were injured on Monday when mobs went on a rampage, damaging vehicle and attacking house. The decline in India's gems and jewelry export in February. 23.49%. India's gems and jewelry exports declined to $2,422.9 million compared to the same month of the last year, following a continued dip in demand in the USA and China. The Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council said the market sees of India's online gaming industry by 2029 in billions dollars. The online gaming 9.1 in billions dollar game. The online gaming sector expected to grow by over twofold by 2019, dominated by the real money games. A report by the real money gaming platform Winjo Games and IEC said the report said that the India's online gaming market revenue was $3.7 billion in 2024. Funds approved by the World Bank for Pakistan 102 in millions dollars. The World Bank has approved fund for cash strapped Pakistan for a project that aims to enhance access to microcredit and support the resilience of the microfinance sector, particularly after climate related shocks. Cairo, USA strike target area in Yemen while Houthi target warship. At least 10 USA strike targeted area in Yemen, including Sada province and Houthis. Yemen Houthi media reported early on Wednesday. Meanwhile, Houthis claim to have carried out a force attack in 72 hours on an American fleet in the Red Sea. The militant group targeting the USS Harry S. Truman Carriers Group. Omdurman parliamentary strike killed 50 in Sudan's Khartoum in 1 week. Sudan Parliamentary Rapid Support Forces killed at least 50 people in Khartoum during the past week, rescuers said, as fighting the army for control of the capital intensified. The Khartoum Emergency Response Room also said that the 70 people, including 12 volunteers, had been abducted during the past week. Istanbul, Turkey detained Istanbul Mayor President Erdogan main rival. Turkey police detained Istanbul's powerful mayor Ekrem Imamoglu in connection with 2 probes into graft and sporting terror. He is President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's main political rival, and his detention came just days before he was to be named the candidate of the main opposition party CHP in the 2028 presidential poll. Doha, Rwanda DRC president holds surprise ceasefire talk in Qatar. The presidents of the Rwanda and DR Congo have expressed their support for a ceasefire after holding surprise talk in Qatar. Hours after the peace talk in Angola failed, Rwanda leader Paul Kagame and DRC President Felix KD met on Tuesday with Qatar's Emir Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. Great spectacle. We will get to see glimpses of Dhoni's brilliance against Uthappa. Cricket fans may get to see glimpses of MS Dhoni brilliance in the upcoming IPL sessions as the former skipper may bat at number 7 and number 8 reckons former India's batter Robin Uthappa very much like last year, and we will see him bat between 12 to 20 balls through the seasons, said Uthappa. Spins to win. We have proved we all well in tandem, Narendra on Varun. Varun Chakravarti will be key component of Kolkata Knight Riders spin attack with his element of uncertainty in the upcoming IPL. Veteran Sunil Narayan said on Wednesday, over the year we have proven it, we bowl well in tandem. It is always good to have him on my side, he added. Different thing, keeping captaincy and batting apart is battlefield, GT skipper Gill. Shubham Gill believes that a successful captain need to keep batting separate from leadership. The more you keep the captaincy and batting separate, the better it is. If I am going to bat, the best thing for me is that I concentrate on batting. The decisions I take as a batter, that is the best decision for me, Gill said. 50-50. With impact player rule, you can only play pure all-rounder Hardik. MI captain Hardik Pandya said on Wednesday that a player has to be a pure all-rounder to be in the starting 11s. Given the impact player rules in the current scenario, it becomes difficult if you are not completely a 50-50 all-rounder. If you want to encourage more all-rounder, they will need a fixed sport to develop, said Hardik. Know your English from the archive. This is our English practice session. K. Subramaniam Upendra, welcome back. Did you have a good time with your big cousins in Bombay? No, they gave me the cold shoulder. Cold shoulder, what do you mean by that? When you give someone the cold shoulder, it means you behave toward them in an unfriendly way to show them that you do not care about them or what you want them to go away. For example, some movie star give the press the cold shoulder. That does not happen very often through. So when a minister falls from power, many of his friends starting giving him the cold shoulder. That's always happen in politics. Does not it? You are cold shouldered the moment you lose power. True, but tell me, how do you make your shoulder cold? Do you put some ice on it or something? Ha 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 ha. Well, the shoulder that is in the expression cold shoulder does not refer to your shoulder or my shoulder. Then whose shoulder does it refer to? An animal shoulder? Are you crazy? No, you see in the good old day when a man had guests in the house, they were always given the best portions of the meat to eat. Go on. And the not too tasty portions of the meat, like the shoulder, was usually eaten by the servants, and since they always ate after the master and the guest did, the meat was always cold. So the servant ate the cold shoulder while the guest ate the warm meat. Exactly what it if the guest overstay their welcome, then the master would give them a hint that it was time to leave by serving them that is the guest the cold shoulder, and by serving them the cold shoulder he was telling them that he does not want them to around anymore, that they should leave. Right again, I wonder that the vegetarian did not to get their guest to leave. I don't think they had many vegetarian in England in those days. You are probably right, but the number of people who are vegetarian have increased since then. That true, by the way. It is the number of the vegetarian has increased and not have been increased. Really, how do I remember the rules? They all seem. There are a simple rule. A number usually takes a plural verb and the number takes a singular verb. For example, the number of people owning washing machine has increased. A number of people were injured in the accident. Published in the Hindu on October 31, 1995. This is our today daily quiz. The daily quiz. The film Sati Sulochana, released in March 1934, was the first Turkish film in the Kannada language. Here is a quiz on many first in the history of the Kannada cinemas. Quiz made by Sindhu Nagaraj. Question number 1. The film is directed by Putama Kangana. Is said to have become the first film to have completed 100 days in 3 theatres in Bengaluru. The film star Vishnuvardhana and was based on a novel by T.R.A. Subbarao. Name the film. Question number 2. Who became the first Kannada actor to win the National Film Award for Best Actor? He won the award for his role in the film directed by V.V. Karanath, based on the novels of the same name written by Shivaram Karath. Question number 3. This actor producer is known as the first woman producer in the history of Kannada cinema. She made her debut as a lead actress in the 1936 release Kannada movie Samsara Nauka. Who was she? Question number 4. This 2006 film starring Ganesh was the first Kannada film to cross the 50 crore rupee box office collection mark. Name the movie. Question number 5. This 2022 Yash Rafter Stair sequels of the 2018 film become the highest grossing Kannada film all time with record collection of over 1000 crore rupees, with Indian itself named the film. Question number 6. Who is the only Dada Saheb Phalke award in Kannada cinema? Question. Visual question. Identify the director who directed the 1977 film which had the distinction of the being showing at the Museum of Modern Art, New York. This became the only Indian film to be chosen by the National Archives of Paris during the ceremony celebration of cinema. Name the film as well. This is the previous day quiz answer. Question and answer to the previous day daily quiz. The scientist credited with the developing the first successful vaccine. Answer. Edward Jenner. He developed the smallpox vaccine in 1976. The only human disease to have been detected by the vaccination in 1980. Answer. Smallpox. In 1998, a fraudulent research paper by the physician and 12 co-authors was published in the Lancet Andrew Wakefield to increase the body's immune response. This is the most common adjuvant added to many vaccines. Aluminium. C specialty of the Recovix HV1 vaccine for hepatitis B. It was the first vaccine to be produced using recombinant DNA technology. Visual question. Name of the year of the co-reported cases of wild polio virus. It takes its card certification of the being polio free. 3 year. Early bird who gives the answer. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow on next video. Jai Hind.